Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in Mac. I will be telling you multiple ways to take screenshots in Mac. I will be telling you keyboard shortcuts to take screenshots in Mac. Hence, I request you to watch this video till the end. The first screenshot that we are going to take will be of the entire screen. And it's very simple to take. All you need to do is to press Shift Command 3. And the screenshot is going to appear as a thumbnail in the bottom right corner of the screen. If we leave it over here, it will be saved automatically on the desktop. Now the next screenshot that we are going to take will be of a certain portion of the screen. To do that, you need to press Shift Command 4, and that is going to change your mouse pointer into a crosshair. Move it wherever you like and then click and drag over the area that you want to capture. You can cancel the selection by hitting escape if you want, or else just release the trackpad or mouse and the screenshot will be taken. You can see the thumbnail appearing over here in the bottom right corner of the screen. You leave it, it will save on the desktop by default. Now let's learn how to take the screenshot of a window. To do that, you need to press Shift Command 4 and space. That is going to change your mouse pointer into a camera. Drag it over the window of which you want to take the screenshot. It will get highlighted like this, and then click on the trackpad or mouse, and there you go, screenshot taken of the window. And like all other screenshots, it will be saved by default on the desktop. Now if you hold the control key with these shortcuts, then the screenshot will be copied to the clipboard, which you can paste elsewhere, such as a Word doc. Now if your MacBook has a touch bar on the top of the keyboard, then you can capture it as well. The command is Shift Command 6. And there you go. This is the capture of my touch bar. In addition to these keyboard shortcuts, you can use the screenshot toolbar to take the screenshot or to record the screen. The screenshot toolbar is very useful when you want to change the screenshot settings, or especially when you want to record the screen. To open the screenshot toolbar, you need to press Shift Command 5. Using this option, you can capture the entire screen. Using this option, you can capture a window. You can capture a portion of the screen using this option. Using this option, you can record the entire screen, and finally using this option you can record a portion of your screen. If you click on options, you get a menu like this, which you can use to do some customizations, such as setting a timer for the screenshot or changing the save location of the screenshot, which you can see is desktop as of now. And now you are ready to take your own screenshots. Happy capture. I hope that you enjoyed learning how to take a screenshot in Mac from Joey's Tech. Do subscribe to Joey's Tech for more such tips, and I'll see you in the next video of Joey's Tech. Thank you.